this quantity E to the power alpha epsilon naught to the power beta H gamma C delta, this is dimensionless, which means all the fundamental dimensions M, L, T and whatever all should have 0 as their power. So let's get the corresponding relations from which we can get the dimensions of E. We can get the dimensions of E, which is charge, which is electric current times time, ampere time to the power alpha. Epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space, which we can get from Coulomb's law. Force equals 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught k. Okay, k is done. Q1 Q2 by r squared. So epsilon naught, the dimensions would be dimensions of charge squared, which is ampere time squared, length squared, 4 pi are constants, and force, which is mass times acceleration. Let's simplify this. We'll get m minus 1 L minus 3 T 2 plus 2 4 A 2. Okay, m, L, T and A. Now epsilon naught, the dimensions would be m minus 1 L minus 3 T 4 A 2 to the power beta. H comes from Planck's formula. Yeah, E equals h nu, packets of energy. H, the dimensions would be energy divided by frequency. Energy, take anyone, mgh or half mv squared. Half mv squared will give us mass, and velocity squared, which is length and t minus 1 squared, by frequency is per second per time inverse. If we simplify this, we get m1 L 2 t minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 m L2 t minus 1 to the power gamma. C is speed of light, which is speed, length per time, delta equals m0 L0 t0. What all do we see? m L t a 0. From here we get some equations. Let's get them. So if we equate the dimension of mass equal to 0, we get, let's get all the powers together. For m, we get minus beta plus gamma, that's it. L, we have minus 3 beta plus 2 gamma plus delta. T, alpha plus 4 beta minus gamma minus delta. A, alpha plus 2 beta. Yes, we are done. So m, L, T and A 0. If we equate the powers to 0, we get 4 equations. Minus 3 beta plus 2 gamma plus delta equals 0. Alpha plus 4 beta minus gamma minus delta equals 0. Alpha plus 2 beta equals 0. So let's try to simplify this. Some simple relations that we see is gamma is equal to beta. So in order to simplify this, let's get these equations. Let's eliminate gamma. So delta minus 3 beta plus 2 beta will be 0. Alpha minus delta plus 4 beta minus gamma is minus beta, 0. Alpha plus 2 beta is 0. Let's simplify this. This is the same set of equations. So minus 3 beta plus 2 beta is delta minus beta equals 0. Okay, so from here we also get this relation. Beta is also equal to delta. And if gamma is equal to beta is equal to delta, all three are the same. So we can make, okay, before doing that, let's get the same equations. Alpha minus delta plus 4 beta minus beta. Alpha minus delta, 4 minus 1 will be 3 beta. Alpha plus 2 beta equals 0. So from here, if we eliminate delta also, we get alpha minus beta plus 3 beta equals 0. Alpha plus 2 beta equals 0. And well, both these equations give us the relation between alpha and beta. So alpha 3 minus 1, 2 beta, okay, it's the same. We get alpha equals 2 minus 2 beta. So okay, everything we have, let's express it in terms of beta. Alpha equals minus 2 beta, beta is beta, gamma is beta, delta is also beta. Now they have introduced n and the options are given in terms of this n. So this n is a non-zero integer. So this beta is also an integer. We can, okay, this beta tells us how all these four are related to each other themselves. So if we take, we can say that alpha, beta, gamma and delta expressed in terms of beta will be minus 2 beta, 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 beta. So we can replace beta with n, minus 2n, n, 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 and this relation, this replacement of n will also give us a set of alpha, beta, gamma and delta, which will be interrelated among themselves in the same way how minus 2 beta, 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 beta are related. And because it is a non-zero integer and an integer can be negative and positive, this is also a set that is true. Corresponding to that, we can also have the signs switched. So 2n minus n minus n minus n. This is also a set of alpha, beta, gamma and delta, which are the same thing, interrelated among themselves in the same way, where n is a non-zero integer. So let's check which option matches. 2n minus n minus n minus n, A.